Hey, fuckaroonies! It's Archibald Chesterfield the Third, AC3, and look what's arrived. I got a parcel. I've got a parcel. Let's take a quick look inside the parcel, and let's see what's arrived. Quick wristwatch check. Pam 24. Pam 24. Okay, let's open her up. Let's have a look. What do we got here? What do we got? Let's have a look. You can't always get what you want. Ooh, have a look. Have a look indeed. This here is from Woof! Woof! Very interesting purchase indeed here. Here we go. Dear Mr. Pluta. Pluta! Please find enclosed one cub winder with cover. Thank you for making wonderful YouTube videos. Thank you. The makers of Woof. Let's have a look. And it's nicely packed. What have we got inside here? Let's take a look. What do we got? Here we go. Another box. A box. The Wolfman. It's Wolfman. Let's have a look. Oh, what have we got in here? Oh, where's that? Oh, there it goes. Da-da-da-da. The Wolf. That's the warranty, the serial number. They've upgraded to the lifetime warranty, of course, for Archibald. That's fine. Very fine indeed. What do we got here? Let's have a look. The good guys at Wolf. What have they sent me? Let's have a look. Da-da-da-da. And what is it? Let's take a look. Da-da-da-da. What? Wowzers? Da-da-da-da. Like a magic trick. Unwrapping. What are these things? These magic cards. Pick a card. Fuckers. Any card. Okie dokie. And now let's open her up. Let's take a look. Da-da-da-da. Wowzers. Wowzers. A wolf green. I love the green. That's my color. That is my color indeed. That is the Wolfman. That's the Wolfman cub. Yes, sirree. I quite get it. What a beautiful winder. Wolf winders. What a fantastic surprise. I absolutely love this winder. Beautifully made Wolf winder. So thank you to the guys at Wolf. And this is my color, the green to go with my Louis Vuitton. So Wolf winders. Thank you, Mr. Wolf. Oh, and guys, by the way, they've got this new system where they've got international, they got all the different power adapters. So you're not stuck with the wrong adapter. So I got that's for my Bangkok trips, Thailand. I've got the Hong Kong, Singapore type plug, and I've also got the American, proud to be an American. But most importantly, I got the Australian adapter, Australian. So all the different adapters, which is very handy because I never know where I will end up to be. Where will I live? You tell me. That is the good question. So it's, I got to tell you, this is a fantastic system. The Wolf Winder. Wolf Winder. I'm ArchieLuxury. Tell me what you fuckers think of the Wolf Winder. Ow, ow, ow!